Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare fish for a delicious, gentle cook. First, select the freshest fish available, looking for clear eyes and a clean smell. Always pat your fish thoroughly dry with paper towels before cooking. This step is crucial for achieving a nice, even sear. When you begin cooking, remember to use low to medium heat settings to ensure the fish cooks through gently without becoming tough or dry. This approach helps maintain its delicate texture and flavor. Exploring low-temperature cooking methods can elevate your fish dishes. Baking fish at around 350 degrees Fahrenheit is excellent for achieving moist, flaky results without excessive oil. Poaching involves gently simmering fish in a flavorful liquid, which infuses it with taste while keeping it incredibly tender. Steaming is another fantastic option. It cooks fish with steam, preserving its delicate nutrients and natural flavors beautifully. These methods are perfect for a light and healthy meal. Enhancing your fish's flavor doesn't require complex steps. Simple seasonings like a pinch of salt, fresh ground pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice often highlight its natural taste best. Fresh herbs such as dill, parsley, or chives are wonderful additions that brighten the profile. For a bit more depth, consider a light marinade for about 15 minutes using olive oil, garlic, and a touch of citrus. Remember, the goal is to complement, not overpower, the fish's delicate essence. Completing your low-impact fish meal involves thoughtful pairings. Roasted vegetables like asparagus or broccoli make a fantastic, nutritious accompaniment, adding color and essential vitamins. For a wholesome carbohydrate, consider serving your fish with quinoa or brown rice, which offer fiber and sustained energy. And speaking of clean, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's designed to keep your space spotless, making your life a little easier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.